it's me, Princess Jonalyn. Welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like cooking videos like these, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you guys get notified every time I upload a new video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make the lemon pepper chicken wings from Buffalo Wild Wings. Look how delicious they look. Oh my god, my mouth is watering. So just a little disclaimer, I do not work at Buffalo Wild Wings. I do not know if this is the correct way. This is the way that they do it if this is the way that they do it at the actual restaurant. This is just the way that I came up with. This is the method that I use. I tried this several times just to perfect it, because I didn't want to put out a recipe that I didn't like genuinely really love. So I just wanted to make sure that it was perfect, and this is the method that came out like as close as the lemon pepper wings as possible from Buffalo Wild Wings. So if you want to see how to recreate Buffalo Wild Wings lemon pepper chicken wings, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay guys, so for the ingredients, you're gonna need some chicken wings. I got this one from Walmart. It was $4.65 for this whole pack. And then you're gonna need some milk for the egg wash. You're gonna need some eggs. You're gonna need some flour that's gonna make it crispy. And the star of the show, Buffalo Wild Wings lemon pepper dry seasoning. So I got this one from the actual restaurant. They're still open for pickup. I picked this one up. I believe it was $5.50 because I believe it was like $5.70 with tax and everything. But yeah guys, you definitely need this. And then here we have some other stuff that you're gonna need. You're gonna need some oil to fry the wings, and oil of your choice, any type of oil. I'm using corn oil. Yeah, I don't know, my husband got that one, but it works fine. You're gonna need some bowls, and then you're gonna need a tray because we're also gonna bake it. After we fry it, we're gonna bake them. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is make the egg wash, I believe it's called. You're just gonna use some eggs and some milk. I'm using 2 eggs for this pack of wings. So just cracking 2 eggs, and then I'm going to add a little bit of milk, just about maybe like a 1/4 cup. I don't know, I don't really measure stuff, I just do whatever. And what we're gonna do is mix it all together. Okay, so you're gonna want like this really light egg mix. It's gonna be like a light yellow. Make sure to beat them all the way. And then we are going to make a separate container for the flour. This is important guys, the flour, because it's gonna make it crispy. I tried it before. I used baking, I think I used baking powder, and it wasn't as crispy, so that's why I recommend using flour. So now I have my pan. I'm gonna put it to medium heat, and I'm gonna add some oil. Just like that, just so that they can be in there halfway. Then we're gonna turn them over. So I'm gonna let that heat up, and then we are gonna prep the chicken. And I wanted to mention that my little tray is from Walmart. I'll leave the link down below so you can purchase it. It was less than $20, and I love it. I use it for everything. I use it for my kids, like when they're eating their lunchtime. Oh, I'll show you guys one that I did today. I did like a tropical aesthetic looking charcuterie board, I guess you could call it, using stuff from the 99-cent store. So I'll insert a clip here because I thought it was super cute. The kids loved it, and everything came out so cute. So yeah, go scroll down to the description bar and you'll find the link to purchase it. You could do in-store pickup, or you could get it shipped to you, whatever you like. But it was less than $20 at Walmart, and I thought that was pretty good because it's really sturdy and heavy, and I don't know, it just goes with everything. So my oil is heating up right now. I'm also gonna turn on the oven. I'm gonna put it to 450 degrees to bake. So I'm gonna let the oven heat up to 450 degrees while we're frying the chicken. So now it's time to prepare the chicken. So what you're gonna wanna do is grab a piece of chicken, put it in the egg wash, and then put it in the flour. And then we're gonna start frying them. So I like to use tongs just to be safe because I do have long nails and I don't want any salmonella underneath my nails. So I'm going to use tongs. I recommend using tongs, or if you have any gloves, that would be fine too. You just don't want to get the chicken all over the place because that is dangerous. So what I'm going to do is take one of the little chicken wings and then we're going to dip it in the egg wash. Just like that. And then we are going to dip it in the flour, so just make sure it's nice and coated like that, and then we're just gonna fry them. So what kind of wing person are you? I personally love the drums, so every time I go to Buffalo Wild Wings I order drums only. I rarely come across people who like the flats, but I think my brother likes the flats actually. Yeah, my brother likes the flats and my sister likes them extra crispy. So we kind of love Buffalo Wild Wings, as you can tell. So when I found the recipe, well, not the recipe, it's kind of easy to make. I wanted to make sure that I made them like just exactly like them. So I tried this 3 different times, and this is the method that I felt was the best, like the best dupe for Buffalo Wild Wings. So that is why I'm showing you guys this way, because there wasn't any YouTube videos that showed how to make these. So that's why I was excited, so that I can show you guys, so there can be a video out there on how to make these. Because I honestly don't even know why nobody's ever done them. So I'm going to be showing you guys the lemon pepper seasoning. However, they have all their seasonings for sale, so you guys, if you like any other ones, they have the wet ones too, like the honey barbecue and stuff. So you guys could go ahead and check those out as well. So one thing I wanted to mention is that this pack of wings from Walmart was kind of small. I found some at, I believe it was Smart & Final, and that one had a really big, like they were really big. All of the wings were super huge, and I thought that was pretty awesome. But however, when I went to Walmart today, they didn't have any big wings, so I settled for this one. But they should be fine. I mean, wings are wings. But yeah, I do recommend, if you're gonna get if you want bigger, juicier wings, then definitely go to Smart & Final. So I'm gonna let so I'm gonna get the wings fried. It's on medium heat, not too hard, not too high, because I want to make sure that they're cooking slowly, because it is chicken. So just want to make sure that it's cooking in the inside and as well as the outside. So I'm gonna let these fry, and then I'm gonna flip them over, and then we are going to bake them. So I'm gonna prep the pan. What I'm gonna do is just take a piece of foil. And I'm gonna put it around the pan. This is gonna just make like the cleanup super easy. You're just gonna have to take this off and throw it. And you do still want to clean the pan, but you're not gonna have anything stuck onto the pan, which is why I recommend doing this. My dad is actually the one who told me, because like I said, I tried this 3 different times to make sure that I got the recipe right. So I don't want to put out the wrong recipe. And the first time he noticed when I was trying to take them off the pan, they weren't coming off. So he's like, why don't you put foil, and that way it's easier for cleanup and they won't get stuck. So yeah guys, definitely recommend putting some foil on your pan. And I got this pan from the 99-cent store. I used another one from the Dollar Tree. That one works as well. But I was just at the 99. I wasn't at the Dollar Tree, so that's why I picked up this one. So here's an example of one of the pans that I was telling you about. All this is stuck onto it, so definitely recommend the foil method, because you're not gonna have to deal with all this. So I've been soaking this overnight, because last night I made the actual bigger chicken wings with the sauce and stuff, with the Buffalo Wild Wings seasoning. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that this is the method we are going to avoid with the foil. So you just want to make sure that they are nice and brown and crispy. So once you get that color, you're just going to want to flip them over. So now my chicken is cooked on both sides. What we're going to want to do is we're going to transport them from the pan to the baking sheet, and this is where our little seasoning is going to come in handy. So I'm going to use it on the little circle opening, not the other side. The other side will just come out completely, and you don't want to overdo it with the seasoning. So let's transfer them onto the cookie sheet, the baking sheet. And another thing I wanted to mention is that some of you guys were telling me that you could find this at Walmart. However, I've never seen it there, but I wasn't looking for it there. I knew that Buffalo Wild Wings would have it, so that's why I went there. So you might want to check Walmart to see if they have it, just in case. But like I said, I bought mine at Buffalo Wild Wings. So what you want to do is, once you're bringing them out, what you want to do is sprinkle them so that it could catch on to the oil. So just like sprinkling them with it. So I've tried the method where I put this on after I bake them, and honestly I like them more when I sprinkle this on before I bake them, because I felt like the seasoning baked as well, and it was really tasty. So that is why I'm doing it this way. Okay, and if you feel like some of them didn't catch enough, what I like to do is just sprinkle it on top, just like that. Okay, you guys, so I am frying up the last of my chicken wings because I want to put them all together, so to save time. I don't want to have to keep taking them out and taking the foil off. So I'm waiting for these ones to finish. And another thing I wanted to mention is that if you do have one of those fryers, you go ahead and use do that instead of this, because it'll save you a lot of time. However, I don't own one, so I'm just going to be using this method. But yeah, it works the same. But if you have one of those fryers, I think it's better because you can throw them all in at the same time to cut down the cooking time. Okay, you guys, so this is what they look like before they go into the oven. They're not going to change much, just the seasoning is going to kind of brown up a little bit. But yeah, here are all the wings that we are going to be eating. They're separated from the flats and the drums. They're at war right now. But yeah, we're going to just put them in the oven at 450 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, so we're just going to pop them in the oven and let them bake. Okay guys, so here's what they look like right out of the oven. I'm gonna go prepare them. Well, not prepare them, prepare their plate so the kids can have some, because we are having them for lunchtime. They're in the pool right now, and they are going to come out right now to have a little bit of lunch. So here it is, all prepared. So every time I go to Buffalo Wild Wings, I actually save like the ranch and the carrots. So this was left over from Tuesday. But this is Thursday, so it's not that bad. But this is the perfect reason why I save them, because for times like this, they're like perfect. So yeah, this is how I make my lemon pepper chicken wings. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to stay tuned, because my next video will probably be either chile rellenos or shrimp scampi. I'm still not sure. But yeah, stay tuned for that video. And thank you guys so much for watching. Like always, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Wait. Okay, you guys. So Paris is the first one to try it. Do you like it, honey? A thumbs up or thumbs down? Yay! Yay! She likes it. Okay, Preston's turn. He's gonna try now. Okay, let's see what the kids think about it. What do you think about it, babe?
It's better. The chicken is better than the Buffalo Wild Wings.
Really? Thank you. She hypes me up the most. so you like it, Bubs?
Yeah.
Yay!
I like it.
You like it, baby?